In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an adjustment layer in the new Affinity app. Revised. If you want flexible, non-destructive edits, adjustment layers are the way to go, and they're quick to set up. First, look for the Adjustments panel in your workspace. It's part of the default layout, usually alongside your other panels. If you don't see it, don't worry. Head to the Window menu at the top and look for the entry labeled Adjustment. Toggling that will show or hide the Adjustments panel so you can bring it into view whenever you need it. With the panel visible, you can apply an adjustment. Click the type you want. Curves, levels, or HSL are popular choices. After you select the adjustment type, you can either pick a preset thumbnail for a quick starting point or choose a custom option to dial it in yourself. Most adjustments will open a dialog box with sliders and options. Move the sliders and watch your image update in real time. Take your time here and focus on the result you want. You can always return and tweak these settings later, so there's no pressure to get it perfect on the first pass. Once you apply an adjustment, Affinity creates a new adjustment layer in the Layers panel. By default, it appears above the layer you had selected. If you had nothing selected, it will land at the top of the stack. This matters because the position of the adjustment layer determines what it affects. If you want that adjustment to affect only a specific layer, clip it. To clip, simply drag the adjustment layer onto the target layer in the Layers panel until it becomes a child of that layer. You'll see it nest underneath, and from that point on, the effect is confined to that single layer rather than the entire stack beneath it. Editing or removing the adjustment is just as straightforward. To reopen its settings, double-click the adjustment layer's thumbnail in the Layers panel. The same dialog appears, and you can fine-tune the sliders as needed. Inside that dialog, you'll also find options to reset, merge, or delete. Reset returns the adjustment to its default state so you can start fresh. Merge bakes the effect into the underlying layer, which is useful when you're ready to finalize that look. Delete removes the adjustment layer entirely if you change your mind. That's all there is to it. Find the Adjustments panel, apply and customize your effect, position or clip the layer for precise control, and edit, reset, merge, or delete as needed. With this workflow, you'll keep your edits flexible and your projects clean.